Good morning or afternoon. I don't know what time it is where you are. It's Amy Dove, the Keto Queen. We're trying to get figured out that ourselves. We just woke up, guys. We are back home in little old Pinson, Tennessee, all the way from Switzerland. Excited to be here. My dogs are so excited I'm here. And let me tell you, they're worse than little children. They have been crying and scratching my head and scratching my face and pawing at my shoulders all morning, trying to get me out of the bed. Guys, I'm so excited to be home. Let me tell you, I don't know how in the world we made it home because I was so sleepy. We had 2 plane rides, 2 train rides, and a 3-hour drive after all of that to get back home. We got here about 1 a.m. and Ricky just told me, he said, honey, I really hate to do this, but you've got to wake up. You've got to wake up. And I'm like, thank you so much. I need to wake up and put an eye patch on. And I need to get dressed because I've got to take my granny to get her haircut. Good morning or afternoon. I'd love to know where you're watching from and what time it is there. It is 11:47 here. And if I was waking up, well, not waking up, if I was in Switzerland right now, it would be almost 7 p.m. We would just have finished dinner. We'd be sitting on the veranda having a cocktail or a glass of champagne. We would have went to bed and had those little Swiss chocolates on our bedside table. But instead, we're home. We just woke up. And guys, I am starting my day at 11:48, which is crazy. I'm starting my day with ketones. Guys, I would love to know if you're already drinking this. Guys, I love the power of this drink. Talk about appetite control, energy, focus. I know my eyes are puffy. I can see them. I'm really, really tired. But I know that when I drink this, I feel amazing. I am energized, as crazy as that sounds, and I am ready to start this day at lunchtime. And I am going to rock this day at lunchtime. This drink gives me so much power, guys. While I was away in Switzerland, we hiked 4 miles the first day, straight down hills. My toes, I felt for sure were going to be black. I can't believe I didn't lose toenails. Like it was just straight downhill mountain hiking with my Go Girl mix. I had so much fun that day. The views were insanely beautiful that day, and I was powered all day. Ricky, here comes Ricky too. Ricky was powered. Look, he's drinking his ketones. Ricky was powered on that trip. I'm going to tell you all about this trip this week. Not right now. But the first day, powered with ketones, and we got there. I mean, it took us 20. Well, I think I just put on the TV, on the thing. How many hours is it? 22 hours of travel? 22.
To get back?
I think for there and back. I think it was like 22 to 24 hours of travel there and 22 to 24 hour travel on the way back. Mm-hmm. And yes, it was a fast trip, but man, it was so worth it. We had the best time.
3-hour drive to the airport. Let's see here.
3-hour drive to, or a 3-hour drive on the way there. It was
2 airplanes.
Yeah, on the way there, it was 3-hour drive to Nashville Airport, and then a 3-hour flight to JFK, and then a 8-hour flight from JFK to Switzerland, then a 3.5-hour train ride to get. No,
you do two each way because it was 2. Just go 2.
It was a long trip. It was 23 to 24 hours for us to get there. Guys, it was amazing. We loved every minute.
Look how much. Look, these were snug. Look.
Yeah, that did not happen for me. That did not. I was absolutely powered with my Go Girl drink.
No doubt.
But I did not lose anything. I didn't lose anything with all that hiking.
The bike ride. Oh my God.
The bike ride was amazing. The hiking was amazing. The gondolas straight up these mountains, amazing. Like we had the best time ever.
The Switzerlands, I will give them the mechanical people. I will give them that. They know what they're doing.
Switzerlands.
The Swiss. Americans.
The Swiss people. Ricky says they know how to make mechanics because that gondola was amazing. And Ricky is scared of heights. He did so good. I can't wait to tell you all about it. We're going to tell you about our trip. We'll probably take like a piece of each day and like break it down for you guys.
Because I'm still, it's 8 o'clock over there and I'm still sleepy.
It's 7 p.m. there and we just woke up here. We got home at 1 a.m. after all the travel, and then we slept The dogs cried and licked our faces and scratched our heads and pawed at our shoulders.
About 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, we finally decided we just needed to get up. And I'm glad we did because we got to be able to sleep tonight. So I got to go back to work tomorrow. I'm going back to work for 2 days this week. But guys, the power of this drink is what was so amazing because with a 23 to 24 hour travel, most people would be dead their first day. No, when we got there, we took off. As soon as we got there that afternoon, we had dinner. We walked the whole city. We went to bed probably about 8:30 that night in Switzerland time. And then I woke up again and had my ketones. We woke up running, like we literally running downhill. It was so awesome. I had my ketones in the morning, ketones in the afternoon. The next day, same thing. We woke up running. We stayed up late. We did all kinds of adventure, tons of movement. Like my body was so sore. Me and Chrissy, it was so funny. Our legs and our calves were so sore. We were going down hills going, pulling ourselves up on stuff. We were so sore.
Nick with the red line. Oh my God.
Thank goodness Nick did an amazing job. Our trip was completely planned by Nick and he did the entire itinerary. He had already made reservations to eat. Like he did everything and it was amazing. Normally we're on vacation. That's my job. Like I got to tell everybody where we're going to eat and what time we're going to get up. And Nick did it all.
I would have never done that without him. Never.
It was awesome. We had so much fun. So much fun. But guys, the power of this drink, I'm telling you, amazing. So yesterday we woke up and had our last adventure. No, yesterday was when we traveled.
Yeah.
It took us a whole day. It took us a whole day.
That was an adventure.
That was an adventure. That was an adventure. Our last day there is when we did the 18 mile, not 18,000 miles. I was cuckoo crazy because I was so tired that I said 18,000 miles. It was 18-mile bike ride.
I will say the bike ride and then the walk to dinner and then the walk back, it felt like 18,000. But I tell you what, that was the best hamburger I ever ate in my life.
Yeah, that hamburger and my ravioli.
Oh my gosh.
So good.
It was definitely worth the walk. If I'd known that to begin with, I probably would have never gone. But thank you, Nick, for pushing us.
Yeah, Nick pushed us. Nick pushed us all week.
He did push us. He did push us all week.
We had so much fun. But guys, we're home and we have to get ourselves back on track. So the title of this video is I'm home and in full swing, but that's not true. We just woke up from getting home at 1 a.m. last night and it would be 7 p.m. there if we were still in Switzerland. So like the time change is kind of mind blowing, but I feel so good. It's like I feel so good.
Got me.
Feels so good. So we have the tools to get us back on track. We've got to go back to work tomorrow. Like I had planned on going back to work. Ricky says he's going full. I don't know for sure. If I feel like, if my body tells me I'm going.
Because I am taking this.
If my body tells me that this is what's going to get you in full swing, I'm there. If not, I'm going to rest.
I'm going.
Because I also know when it's time to rest. And like we just had a jammed pack adventure 24 hours away. And, I'm going to take that time to relax and get my body back to where it needs to be so that I can 100% be in full swing. And if that's tomorrow morning, awesome. And if it's not, that's okay too. I'm going to take care of myself.
That's right.
So guys, we want to make sure that we are just encouraging to you guys because we would have never had this opportunity years ago. Never would have had this opportunity years ago. When my friends call and say, hey, you want to go to Switzerland? My answer immediately is absolutely. Tell me the date so I can block my calendar and get my flight. Like I always want to feel my best so that when things come up like that, there's no question about, do I feel like going? Can I go? Will my body allow me to do that? I don't ever want to be in that spot again. Years ago, if someone would ask me that, I was like, are you kidding? I'm not going to be able to hike in Switzerland. I'm not going to be able to do those things. Like I want to age well. I want to live better longer. That's my goal. When Nick calls me next year and he says, hey, do you want to go to Iceland? The question is not even a question. It's like, yes, tell me the dates so we can book our flights. Like I want to feel so good that when adventure comes, I am 100% there. I don't want to question about, can my knees handle it? Can my body handle it? That's just not a question for me anymore. This drink, guys, has totally changed the way we feel. Mm-hmm. This drink has totally changed our health. This drink has totally given us so many opportunities, not only because we share it with people, but just the opportunities to feel our absolute best. I am so thankful for so many things that Nick has brought my way, including this drink. He is the one who showed me this years ago, and I was someone who was 100% sick and tired of being sick and tired, and I took the opportunity to try this. Guys, if you're not drinking it yet, I definitely want to try it with you. I definitely want you to try this with me. Love it. It has changed everything. I sleep like a baby. I have energy every single day. Appetite control as a food addict is absolutely insane, but I have it. I can choose when I'm going to eat, what I'm going to eat, if it's good for me, if it's not bad for me, or if it's bad for me. I get to decide because the power of this drink. It has completely changed our health, and we are 100% living better longer. Guys, who else wants to live better longer? If you're not drinking these yet, in the comments, say me. I want you to feel amazing. I want you to be able to say, if someone calls you today and says, hey, do you want to go to the beach? Like, do you want to get in the car and drive 5 hours to the beach? I want you to be able to say yes, because I feel amazing. I don't want you to sit on your couch and think, I don't know. I mean, how am I going to get to the sand? My legs are so sore. My back is so sore. Like, how would I enjoy that? I don't ever want you to feel that way like I have in the past. I want you to feel amazing, to where when somebody calls you for adventure or someone calls you to do something, you're easily going to be able to say, yes, I feel amazing. No matter my age, I feel amazing. I want to go. I want to do it. I want to experience life. That has been such an amazing change with drinking ketones. So guys, if you're not drinking them yet, say me. I'd love to get you info, but I'm fixing to drink mine. I am going to put some eye patches on. I am 100% going to go wash my face. I'm going to meet up with my granny and take her to get her hair done. And we're going to come home, and I got to wash clothes. Like, we've got a lot of things to do to get back in the rhythm for work tomorrow. And we're going to do it, and we're going to feel great. And my dog said, it's time to play. All right, guys. Love you so much. We'll be telling you all about our trip. Snidbits have come to you. I've sent some pictures, but I can't wait to tell you our experiences, to tell you what we saw. I wish the pictures would do it justice for you, but they're not. The pictures are pretty, but it is not going to do the justice for you. But check them out. I posted a bunch on the page, and we will be sharing our stories. So, guys, y'all have a great day. Did you want to say something?
Yeah, and the ketones just ain't for women, for men.
Oh, heck yeah. The ketones are for men. Ricky drinks them every single day. He loves the way he feels when he drinks ketones. Just the mood itself is amazing. The energy, the muscle preservation. Like, Ricky works out hard. When I go to the gym, I work out, but Ricky works out hard. He's pumping those heavy weights, and the ketones actually push him to be able to do that more. All right, guys, we're going to get off here and get our day going at 12 p.m. Y'all have a good one, and we'll see you later. Bye.